Welcome back to another venture. Super stoked today. I'm with a good friend, Cameron. We just literally launched at the put-in. We got a 5-mile float. We're going to be floating down to the next bridge. But along this section, I've had some awesome experiences as far as catching some big old largemouth. So that's the goal today, to catch some largies. But we're still in the early phases of spring. It's literally the first week of March, so they could be turned on or turned off. We just don't know yet, but hopefully the baits we got tied on today, we'll put them in the boat. Now, I did bring the brand new CRESCENT PRIMO. Sorry for that first video. I've been pronouncing it the wrong way the whole time. I kept saying Primo. That was my bad. It's the PRIMO. So we're in the PRIMO again. Very lightweight, easy to throw on top of the Jeep. I got this from H24 Outdoors, and this is the second official trip on it. Super stoked about that, and it's so light and portable. What I'm throwing today, I may not get a lot of hookups, but I'm throwing big swim baits. So Cameron, he's got the go-getter baits on. I got the trace on, the slow sinking trace. I got this from H24 Outdoors. I also have the mag draft on, the 5-inch mag draft in here. So I'm challenging myself today. I want to catch some big old fish, and the goal is to throw these big old baits and draw out some of those big old females pre-spawn. Now, of course, I do got one little bait on. I got to make a video, so hopefully we can put something in the boat with these 3 baits. I'm going to try to stick to 2 swim baits, and I might change into a spinner bait or that, 2.5 crankbait by KVD. So that's the goal today. Stick with me, stay tuned. We got 5 miles to cover. I'll meet you downstream. Oh yes, finally. I got one on it. Putting up a good fight, but he's in that current. Yes! That's why you throw this big swim bait right there, baby. Stay on. That's one of those big ones. Yeah. I got my scale. We're definitely, I'm guessing 3.5, maybe pushing 4. Choke that swim bait right there. Very nice fish. Very nice. Man, that just popped out too. I didn't have them good. Look at that beautiful, nice largie. I'm guessing 3, maybe 3.5. I'm in the rapids here. 3 pounds, 4 ounces. 3 pounds, 4 ounces. Beautiful specimen. Let's go ahead and get a quick little length on it. It is about 18 inches. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Oh yeah. 3.4. Beautiful largies to start out the day. I've had so many bites. This one finally hit it. There's fish. Not a bad one. Got a chunky little short stubby spot here on the spinner bait. Let them go. It's a real deep hole right here, and that swim bait don't get deep enough. So I'm dragging this sexy mouse spinner bait down through this deep eddy here, and he picked it up. There's one. Oh my gosh, really? Micro sunfish. Huge. He was in the middle. He got the back hook. I got a trailer hook on there. Oh, there's one. That one's better. That's a bass. There we go. There we go. Spinnerbait never lets me down. Oh yeah. Man, these things are fat. They're not big or long, but they're fat. They're definitely feeding up for that spawn. Nice chunky gut there. It's about to take a poop on me. There's a bunch of little guys in this. Yeah. Oh, there's one. As soon as it, oh, he come off. No, he's still on there. As soon as it landed, I saw it go sideways. I just saw my line go. There's a bunch of little spots in that hole right there. Knee scratches, knee scratches. Go Primo! Still got my big pole. There's a fish. Right in the middle. Right in the middle. Right behind you. He's got a friend. He's not big, but a little chunky spot. Oh, yep, there's another one. Little guys. Yeah, they're down deep in the current. Right in this section anyway. There's one on the big swim bait. Please be big. Please be big. Oh, it's another nice one. It's another nice one. Yes. That was awkward. I was trying to turn on my front camera, but that did not work out. Look at that baby right there. He may be 3, maybe 2.5, probably around there. Beautiful specimen on that swim bait. Threw it right up against that tree over there. I was like, I've caught plenty on the spinner bait. Let's go back and try to get some big ones. And boy, I'm happy I did. Let's put this on the scale real quick. See how much it goes for. 212. 212, almost 3 pounds. Just 4 ounces shy. Length, 17 inches. Beautiful fish. We'll go ahead and send it back. Almost a 3. There's one. Oh my gosh. That big old bait, and that fish got that in his mouth. What in the world? He gonna hook me too. There he is. He finally got it. Little feisty little fart. There you go. There you go. He got it. There's a fish. There's a fish way up there. Little guy. Ski him in here real quick. Man, these fish are fat. Look how fat that one is. There he is. Nope, he's a little guy. There's one. Dude, they're loaded in this hole. That one's not bad. Spinner bait. Damn. No! That was probably a 2-pounder. That was a nice one. There's fish. Little guy. Yeah. Felt better onto those rocks. Little baby. I think that's the last fish. I believe that was my last fish. Bridge is directly behind me, about 50 yards. So we've made it. It was a good day for our early March trip. I feel like the bite was pretty good. Had 3 nice fish on, got 2 in the boat. You saw that one near the end there. It's probably a 2 at least. Maybe 16, 17 again, but that's okay. The Crescent Primo has been excellent. Great boat, especially for this small little creek, this body of water here. I mean, I was cutting, I was weaving with no problem at all. Even some super shallow areas, I didn't drag much, if anything. So can't complain. This boat, it's been great. Now the beautiful thing about this boat is we got a nice trek out of the bridge. There's no really good way to get them out, so it's only going to be about 55 pounds, and I'm going to drag that thing straight up a 45-degree bank, and in the grass should be a piece of cake compared to the big old shoaly. Anyways, it was a great day. Crescent Primo has been excellent. So thanks for watching. I hope to see you on the next adventure.